Okay, folks, here is the 73, could be a 74, I can't remember it off the top of my head, Alfa Romeo GTV 2000. It's upside down in my rotisserie. I just wanted to show you all on YouTube this car. I know some of you have seen pictures on my website over the past year and a half or 2 years that I've had this automobile. But I wanted to show the rotisserie because I've got another Alfa Romeo GTV that's going to come in to me that's basically going to need the same kind of work that this car has received. And it's going to also be put in the rotisserie. I would flip this over right now to show you, but I'm limited on the space above. Right here, I don't want to hit it, so I'll just do it like this. Now the entire car is in a rectangle. The car is suspended in the rotisserie in a rectangular fashion. Up here it's mounted to this K-frame member where the engine goes. It's physically bolted to that. And then there's this bar, this spine bar, and then I rigged it into where the suspension arms go, the trailing arms, and then I brought it back here into this other end of the rotisserie, and then I ran a spine down the inside of the car and put some little braces here to suspend the spine, keep it suspended, and this bracket right here welded to the floor, and then it goes all the way out to the front. So what I'm able to do with this car is have a car that is fully, make a full circle, 360-degree rotation, and do full work on it. However, the days of this rotisserie and this car being married are over. Tomorrow I'm going to take it off, put it on a chassis table much like this one that the Mustang is on, and this car is going to be finished built on that chassis table, and then it's going to go out of here to the painter like that on the chassis table. So I just wanted to show how this is done because I've recently discovered a fellow in England that does a lot of Alfa stuff, and he built a rotisserie and built an elaborate external frame for the car, which I thought was really kind of cool. But I just wanted to take this video of this car showing this car with this modified rotisserie suspending this Alfa Romeo in. Cute little car, nice little car. It'll be really nice when done. It has required a tremendous amount of work. I might be able to actually turn this around. Maybe. It's required a tremendous amount of work, a lot of metal work to fix a lot of bad rust that was in the car. Lower A pillars, lower B pillars, things like that. But the work is now done, and I just need to do some final work on the trunk pan, getting that all set, organized, and done, and then we're ready to go. And that's the plan. Alfa Romeo GTV 73 or 74, and I'll remember when I get home, but this is the car, and my battery is almost dead on my brand new camera. I'm finally going to abandon the phone aspect with a camera in it for my regular SLR camera, which I'm filming now, because I do not like the way Apple wants to organize the photos. I'd rather do it by the way I want to do it, not the way Apple tells me to do it. So it is what it is. And I just wanted to show this rotisserie, how it's done, or how I did it. Again, there's probably no good way or wrong way. Well, there's probably wrong ways, but I'm not saying that my way here is better than your way. This is just the way I did it. And it's worked very well. Okay? Tschüss!